Hi Van Lifers, we are coming to you from Vanaholic, and I'm Tom Markel, the Chief Vanaholic here at the Quartzsite Sports and RV show in Quartzsite, Arizona. I have never seen anything like this in my life. There must be a square mile of RVs and RV accessories and parts and all sorts of things at this show. There must be 2 million people here that are RVers, and that market's growing. But we just do a van. We do the lightest van in the market. Our product is made out of aerospace engineered aluminum and polycarbonates. And we don't sell the van, we sell the pieces. You bring us the van and we'll put the package together for you, but it's an RV kit. And you can put it together in about 2 days with one item, one tool, which is a electric screwdriver. So we're about 500 pounds is our total weight of our kits, compared to about 1,500 pounds with the standard van. So it's lighter, it's safer, and less costly. Our product costs about 60% less than a standard van conversion. And we ship it to you flat pack like an IKEA, or we'll install it for you in Riverside, California. So coming to you from Quartzsite, we really would be happy to talk to you about your business. We're Vanaholics everywhere. We can help you buy a van, negotiate prices, and help you become out in the world so that you praise nature.